Hey there. So, I want to chat with you about something that's probably happening to your business right now, and you might not even realize it. Your customers have changed big time, and it's happening pretty quickly with all the advents of AI and all these changes happening in the economy and in the marketplace and everything. And if you're not keeping up, you're literally watching money walk out the door. So, let me explain what I mean by that. Did you know that 90% of your customers, that's 9 out of 10 people, expect you to respond immediately? Not in an hour, not by the end of the day, right now. And I'm not making this up to scare you. This is where we are in 2025. And look, I totally get it. You can't be glued to your phone or your computer 24/7. You've got a business to run and a life to live. But here's the problem. When you're not available, here's what's actually happening. More than half, that's 62% to be exact, of calls to small businesses just go unanswered. And think about that for a second. That's 6 out of every 10 people trying to reach you, and they're getting crickets. And here's the kicker. Most of them don't leave voicemails, and they don't try again later. They just move on. And where do they go? Straight to your competitor. About 30% of them, actually. So every missed call isn't just a missed opportunity, it's a frustrated potential customer, and it's a sale that you're handing to someone else. Now, here's something interesting. A recent study found that 61% of people would rather get a fast, automated response than wait for a human to get back to them. Think about that. It's not that they don't want to talk to you, just that they want their questions answered quickly, and they want to feel heard right away. So, what if I told you there was a way to be available 24/7, never miss a call, and still have a life? I'm talking about an AI receptionist. But don't think of it as just a software. Think of it as hiring a team member who never sleeps, never takes a day off, and can handle unlimited customers at the same time. Let me introduce you to what might just become your new favorite employee, your digital agent. It's an employee that can be on the clock for you 24/7, 365, and never calls in sick, never takes a vacation. It's always there, ready to answer every single call, reply to every single text, and jump on every web chat to make sure that you never miss a lead. It can capture their details, book appointments right into your calendar, and give that instant gratification your customers are craving. And when you actually put the two side by side, well, it's not even a fair fight. Your traditional receptionist is amazing, don't get me wrong, but they're limited to business hours, and they can only handle one call at a time. An AI digital agent, it just blows those limits out of the water. We're talking 24/7 availability, handling unlimited conversations at once, all for a tiny fraction of what you pay in salary. This isn't just about cutting costs, it's about unlocking a level of scale that you may have never even dreamed of before. So picture this. It's 10 p.m. on a Tuesday night, someone's on your website and they're interested in what you do, and they decide to call. Maybe they saw your hours and they're just going to leave a voicemail. But to their surprise, an AI receptionist picks up immediately, and it has a natural conversation with them, answering their questions and figuring out exactly what they need and booking an appointment into your calendar. You and your team wake up the next morning to a qualified lead ready to follow up, all while you were sleeping. And this isn't just theory. Real businesses are seeing incredible results with these types of AI digital agents and employees. One company saw their revenue from converted leads increase by 372% after adding an AI receptionist. And Molly Maid hit a 55% conversion rate within just 30 days of implementing a system just like this. And these aren't Fortune 500 companies. These are businesses just like yours. And here's what this really does for you. It frees up your human team to focus on what they do best. Instead of just answering basic questions all day, they can work on growing the business, building relationships, and delivering your service. I'm not talking about replacing your people. I'm talking about letting them focus on the high value stuff in your business that actually matters and moves the needle forward. So here's my question for you. How many leads are you missing right now? How many potential customers are calling your competitors instead of you? If you're ready to stop wondering and start capturing every opportunity, that's exactly what we help businesses do here at AZ Web Design Studios. We make this whole process simple, effective, and honestly, pretty exciting when you see the results. So don't let another potential customer slip through the cracks. Your business deserves to capture every opportunity, and your customers deserve to be heard the moment they reach out. So what do you think? Are you ready to never miss another lead again? Contact us today to schedule your free consultation. We look forward to speaking with you.